Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar index, I was saying that perhaps this is actually going down already, but taking into consideration that we got non farm payroll tomorrow, and whatever is going to happen today is very likely just going to be setting itself up for the news tomorrow. So keeping that in mind, I was reevaluating this a little bit, and I still think this is 5 waves down. Definitely looks like 5 waves down. Then this is potentially 3 waves up. This is potentially 3 waves down. So this could be forming like a WXY pattern, and that explains why this is a lower high, lower high. So this would be like one impulsive up. 3 waves down, another impulsive up, maybe to like the 50 to 61%, and that would make up the 3 waves of Y, and that would also potentially set us up for tomorrow's non-farm payroll for a big sorting opportunity on the dollar. So if that is true and that potentially the dollar is going to be bullish today, you would have to take that into consideration on all the dollar pairs. And hopefully what's going to happen, like I said, is it's just setting itself up for a nice big potentially wave three starting tomorrow at the non-farm payroll news. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.